They're real sour, Mom. They're real sour.
Did you tell us he gets $20 for everything he does too?
No. No. Although I probably would have, but no.
Like, I think he'd probably get the ball and go running with it.
Please tell me that wasn't a sack. I think I told him if he got a sack, I'd buy him shoes. I think. Let's see if it reminds me. I hope it's not a sack. That wasn't a sack. I couldn't remember.
If he tells you, Mom, that's it. It's it.
I got it on a video. I gotta rewatch it.
Do you know what a sack is?
I know what a sack is.
Okay.
I hope you don't know what a sack is.
They get a sack lunch.
Yeah. I didn't see the sandwich just so. I'm sorry. Oh, no. I told him if you got a sack, you get a pair of joggers. Some pants he's been wanting.
Oh.
Whew.
Saved yourself a
Oh,
little bit of
yeah.
money.
No, a lot of money. $175.
That's if he gets a sack at every game, maybe he'll get the shoes.
There you go. Yes. Ooh, sexy. It does. That's pretty.